Guys, what is going on? Today, we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to fix a broken Xbox controller. Now, some of you ask, Levi, are you doing this because you rage and you break the controller? No. In fact, my controller is actually healthy for now. But anyways, I will show you how to fix this broken controller. This is the wrong one. So this is the broken controller. As you can see, there is a crack. For step one, you want to take this out in the heat. And I'm not lying to you. Why would I lie to you?
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No. Look at the top of his head.
So take this out in 80 or up degree weather. I'll do that for you right now. Step number 2. You have to compress the controller so well that the buttons start working. For instance, my controller! The controller, the buttons are working. Ready? So it's been about an hour after the first examination, and after further results, the results were negative. So we're gonna have to test this again. But during that past hour, we have been swimming, as you can see from the pool. So here we go. This is test number 2. This is what you're gonna do. Test number 2. So for this test, you can obviously see this. So you gotta compress the controllers together, and then you're just gonna push it against the concrete, and then you're gonna lift it up, and then you're gonna slam it against the ground. And this piece, see this piece? This was the mess. This was the thing that was messed up. Obviously, there we go. Now I can fix it. Now I can get into that little motherboard thingy, and you just pull that, and then you throw it in the air one more time. So after about 30 seconds, I think the results are pretty positive. Let's just make sure. The results are positive. Did you freaking end it? That's the video. Comment if this helped, and I'll see you later. The results are positive. Okay.